I found Trainual to be so intuitive and easy to build out that someone with low technical skills could do it pretty quickly as well. The team's embracing it as a good decision that will give them the ability to be more efficient. We live in northeast Wisconsin, northeast of Green Bay, 50 miles away, and it's a peninsula that's known as the Cape Cod of the Midwest. One of the biggest strategies that had my dad scratching his head was I would say no to tourists in order to say yes to the people who live here year-round. I got this from him, helping people. It's all about helping people. One of the changes I made was I looked at running the business as a business, not as an auto technician. But like a lot of auto repair shops, many of them are started or purchased by a technician who wants to earn more. That's the vision in the moment. But I had to learn how to run a business. And so the transition from being an owner operator to now being what I consider not a manager but a investor is how I want to run it, and that's the difference. I haven't worked on cars since 2004. There's no way that I could operate a business and work in the business at the same time. In our shop, I'm looking to hire someone with real shop experience before they've come to us. When I bring somebody on, I want to be able to train the culture and the systems that our shop uses, expecting them to already know how to repair a vehicle. If they come to us and they say they're an A-level technician, I expect that person to be able to inspect and diagnose an electrical problem in a reasonable time. So we're not bringing them up from ground zero. We've hired people over the years, technicians specifically, who've worked in shops where there's little to no structure, mostly chaos. And my vision is to do whatever possible to remove as much chaos and friction in the business. I have a good friend who owns 6 or 7 auto repair shops, and he has 80 or 90 team members. I went to do a visit with him, and he was showing me the master board of all the people, and I said, how do you manage all of this? And he said, Trainual. His introduction to it got the wheels turning. I knew I needed to update our employee handbook. There was a couple of addendums that were printed, and I love the idea of having it digital. When there's a change, boom, it's done. We started building some training quizzes in it now. The ability to have my team have access to a live current document of everything in one place, that's what drove me. Currently today, I see my team probably 4 hours a week on a regular schedule, check-ins with the team, check-ins with the managers, and with the digital tools like Trainual, we can communicate better digitally. The easy was to transfer the existing documents over into Trainual. We opted to have them set up so they're editable instead of just putting in the PDF version of what we have, and that went well. We had a good onboarding process. I liked that it gave us measurable timelines to have stuff done. It allowed me also to make sure that I could hold my team members accountable that were also responsible for the setup part of it and helping me approve the stuff that was getting put in there. The team loves it. We have books for them, but now it's in there digitally, and it describes the flow for the customer's experience from the time they walk in the door, who's responsible for that key, and what tasks need to be done before that key is handed off to the next person to reduce any sloppy passes. We've only hired one person since we started with Trainual, and he visualized the culture immediately by the way we laid out the welcome message, the employee handbook, the welcome video, the mission video. He liked having those tools, and it does help set the stage better than just having somebody sit down and read that book page by page. I found Trainual to be so intuitive and easy to build out that someone with low technical skills could do it pretty quickly as well. The team's embracing it as a good decision that will give them the ability to be more efficient. If they're on the fence and they have 10 or more people, they should seriously take a look at it. They would find value in it for sure.